Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Going to make it just a really simple tuna avocado salad. Really quick. Let's get on with it. Okay, so nothing to this. Lettuce. We're going to pop our salad onto that later on. You can use any type you want. Avocado. Now, these kind of rough skin avocado, also known as Hass, I think are the best. They're nice and creamy. Smooth skin ones, not so much. If you've got them, they're okay. But yeah, that is super creamy. That's my favorite. Tuna, can of tuna. Now, you may have heard me say this before. Buy a decent quality tuna. They're really, you know, the cheap ones you can get, it's cat food. It really is horrible. It's smelly and flaky and just not very good. So try and buy a nice decent one. This one came in water. If it comes in olive oil or something like that, you can use it, but I've drained the water off that. A few little tomatoes, actually from my garden. I'm very proud of those. Or you could just slice some tomatoes up. Some olives, I've got some green ones there if you want, black, a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of thinly sliced onion, a couple of hard-boiled eggs. That's about it. We're gonna make a nice little dressing for it as well. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, we've got our tomato, our cucumber, our tuna, our onion, our olives, and the egg. I just sliced that up. We're now gonna just drop in our avo, which I've just cut back a little bit. Just held that back for decoration, a little bit of egg, a couple of slices there. Simply, I'm going to get in and give this a little mix. Back in a moment. So super easy dressing, got some nice quality olive oil there. Going to add equal amounts of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, some black pepper. If you wanted a touch of garlic in there, but for me, just keeping it really simple. Little mix, and off we go. Okay, bed of lettuce. On goes our nice mixture there. Very simple. On goes our little simple dressing. And we're done. That is absolutely divine. Very simple, very easy, delightful. A couple of bits of tuna on the top, a little bit of egg, just as a kind of signature, a little bit of avo. That's it. Enjoy. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.